Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video we're going to have a look at the Sliding Sheet Bend Hitch. Alright, so let's head on into the work table and take a look. The Sliding Sheet Bend Hitch is, as the name implies, a hitch knot. More specifically, it's a friction or slide and grip hitch. The sliding sheet bend hitch can be used to secure a rope to an anchor point for a variety of purposes, such as temporarily mooring a small boat, or because of the draw loop that's part of its structure, it can easily be untied, making it also suitable for temporarily tethering a grazing animal. There are, of course, many different ways to tie a hitch knot, and if you'd like to see others, I recommend my video 20 Great Hitch Knots. I'll put a link in the description and also at the end of this video. What I specifically like about this hitch knot is that it creates an adjustable loop that can be slid up or down the standing part, and when tension's placed on the line, the friction will grip the hitch strong. The knot's also non-jamming, and the draw loop also makes it very easy to untie. Okay, let's have a look at how to tie the sliding sheet bend hitch. To begin, pass your working end once around your anchor point. Then twist your working end to form a small loop as shown. Then, with the standing part, pass a bite through the loop. And from there, pass another bite, this time with the working end, through your first bite. Now cinch up the knot. Use a little care so you don't distort or capsize the knot. And when you're finished, you should have a knot that looks something like this. As you can see, the knot can slide up or down the standing line, adjusting the size of the loop. But when tension's placed on the line, the hitch knot holds strong. So there you have it, the sliding sheet bend hitch. Now, as promised, here's a link to my video, 20 Great Hitch Knots. I hope you check it out. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thanks for watching.